welcome back to Rousey Sheridan. So in today's video, we are heading to Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm taking Rousey, and we are going to Ruby Buckle East. So we're going to get there Thursday night, then Friday morning we'll exhibition, and then Friday like afternoonish we will run, and then we'll run again Saturday morning. So yeah, let's go. But we don't talk anymore. Okay, so here's the dressing room. We got fans, hay, feed, water jugs, hay bags still need to be done, and I gotta get my leg boots. Alright, now we have got leg boots. And of course we have buckets for water and feed buckets. Done packing things up, and like I said, the motorhome is pulling the horses, and my dad's driving it, and my sister's driving her truck, and we're gonna ride in there and follow right behind the horses. So yeah. Okay, so a little update. We just went to my sister's singing recital. Now we are back home. My mom is bringing home some food, so we're gonna eat, and then pretty much it'll be time to head to Memphis. Loaded up and we are about to head out. All right, we are heading out. Turned in and we're about to head down to the stalls. Okay, Rousey's in her stall. They already have shavings in them because they came from somebody that had already been in them. Got feed, and I'm taking feed buckets over, and then we got to take hay over. Okay, Rousey's all set up in her stall. We got feed and feed buckets, hay. She's got water and everything, and we're about to head back and get the motorhome parked. exhibitioning. She was really good. And then we unsaddled her, and now I am getting my clothes put in the truck and taking my tack back up there, and pretty soon it'll be time to resaddle her for our run. Okay, we made it back from Chick-fil-A. I am getting changed, and then I will saddle Rousey and get on. Okay, so we went and ate, and then we took our horse to the vet, and now we're gonna go take showers. Rousey's run wasn't great, it wasn't horrible. We know what to improve on, and we made it clean. We're not going to hit any splits right. We were just a few out of getting money in the youth. So we've been kind of hanging out. My sister had 2 runs to make, and now one of her horses is at the vet. So we're kind of staying a little later to get the horse's vet work done. I'm taking the Cricket back up there to the stalls, and we're going to start. We just broke down the motorhome, and it is on its way to the stalls right now. And we're about to go get the stalls ready so we can go home. That's gonna be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So the first round didn't go great, but we made some changes, and the second round wasn't as fast as we had hoped, and we didn't hit any of the money splits right, but it was still a clean run, which was better than the first round. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Black magic, you work your voodoo.